I'm sick and tired of doors sagging in my house, dragging on the floor, and worse yet, I have to lift them up every time I want them to close. I'm going to show you a quick method that is brilliant and has never let me down. This rapid repair is completely free and doesn't require any special skills. In fact, you already have everything you need in your house. You have already tried the easy stuff such as tightening the hinge screws only to have them loosen over time and the door still sags. Have you noticed that one screw that keeps spinning forever and never tightens? This screw hole is stripped out and has no holding power. Walk over to your kitchen, grab a few toothpicks. No, not for your teeth, silly. For the door hinges, or more specifically, for the door hinge screws that are stripped out. I want you to place between 1 and 3 toothpicks in the stripped out screw holes. Just pack as many as you can fit in there, and then take a trusty hammer and pound them home. Because the toothpicks are sharp, they will bite into the wood. Next, you can go all fancy on me and carefully trim off the excess with a utility knife. However, I always just break them off with my trusty hammer. Now when you screw your hinge back into this improved area, your screw will have fresh material to bite into and hold for years. You can now properly tighten up all the hinge screws and watch that door lift back into its proper position. Your door should now have a consistent reveal gap all the way around the perimeter, and it should close and latch perfectly. You did a rapid repair in less than 2 minutes. Now click on my next door video for more information about sagging door problems. Clickety click here up above my head. Click. I'm still waiting. Click, click.